Hello, excuse me.
Hello.
Welcome to our city.
Thank you very much.
Are you visiting here for the first time?
Yes, this is my first time here.
That's wonderful.
It's a beautiful place.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How long are you staying here?
I will stay for 5 days.
That's a good amount of time.
Yes, I want to explore the city.
Have you visited any places yet?
Not yet. I just arrived this morning.
Then you have many places to see.
I'm excited about that.
Do you like historical places?
Yes, I love history.
Then you should visit the old museum.
That sounds interesting.
It's very popular with tourists.
I will definitely check it out.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm traveling solo.
That must be an adventure.
It really is.
Do you enjoy meeting local people?
Yes, I love talking with locals.
That's great.
People here seem very friendly.
Thank you. We try to be welcoming.
I appreciate that.
Have you tried local food yet?
Not yet. Any recommendations?
You should try our traditional dishes.
I would love to.
There's a famous restaurant nearby.
Really?
Yes, tourists love it.
What is it called?
It's called Green Garden Restaurant.
I'll remember that.
The food there is delicious.
I'm getting hungry already.
Do you like spicy food?
A little bit.
Then you should try mild dishes first.
That's a good idea.
Are you interested in shopping?
Yes, I love buying souvenirs.
There's a local market nearby.
That sounds perfect.
You can find handmade items there.
I like unique things.
The market opens in the afternoon.
I'll visit it later today.
Do you enjoy taking photos?
Yes, photography is my hobby.
Then you'll love the river view.
Is it far from here?
No, just a short walk.
Great.
The sunset there is beautiful.
I must see that.
Many tourists go there in the evening.
That sounds amazing.
Do you need any help with directions?
Actually, yes.
Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the city museum.
I can show you the way.
That would be helpful.
Walk straight for 2 blocks.
Okay,
Then turn left at the traffic light.
got it.
The museum will be on your right.
Thank you for the clear directions.
You're welcome.
You speak English very well.
Thank you. I practice a lot.
That's impressive.
Talking with tourists helps me improve.
I'm glad to help.
Are you enjoying your trip so far?
Yes, very much.
That's good to hear.
The city feels very lively.
It's always busy with visitors.
I like the atmosphere.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel whenever I can.
That sounds exciting.
It's a great way to learn about cultures.
I agree with that.
Every place teaches something new.
Exactly.
Thank you for being so helpful.
My pleasure.
I feel more confident exploring now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Maybe we'll meet again.
That would be nice.
I should head to the museum now.
Enjoy your visit there.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful trip.
Thanks again for your help.
Anytime.
Take care.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you around.
Safe travels.
Thank you.
Enjoy our city.
I definitely will.
Have a great day.
You too.
Take care.
Thanks.
Goodbye again.
Bye.
Welcome anytime.
I appreciate it.